Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 9 of 12 days of press on, so thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys haven't seen the rest of my series, go back and watch all of the rest of them and catch up, and then come back and watch this. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a neutral Christmas set or a neutral holiday set. It's going to be super cute. It's going to have different elements of bling, and it's actually very similar to a set that I already offer on my site. And for those of you that don't know, I do sell press-ons, so if you're interested in purchasing any of my work, be sure to check out my link down in the description box below. For any of you guys wondering where I get my supplies from, the majority of my stuff that I get is from Amazon, and I do have a Amazon storefront. So if you're interested in purchasing any of the supplies that I use, be sure to go down to the description box as well for that link. I have a bunch of links down in my description, so just check around for anything that you need to find. So I made this video a little bit more on the longer side so that you guys could really watch what I'm doing, and it's not such a rushed video where it's everything super sped up and you're not able to see. So I kind of want this to be like a tutorial, but I'm not really like talking through it very much. I'm just letting you guys watch and see my process. Also, it was just requested by a couple of people to have longer videos, so some people like to watch super long videos, some people like to watch very short and to the point videos. Either way, you're able to watch at your own leisure, kind of skip through, or if you want to watch from beginning to end, that's even better. So thank you guys for supporting me just all the way through up until this point. I started YouTube, I think 2 years ago for this channel, so definitely grown a lot, and I'm very grateful for everybody who supports, and I'm just grateful to see how much my work has changed and progressed. So it's just been very fun for me, and I'm glad that you guys were able to watch. With that being said, with personal growth and everything like that, I'm super excited about this series. I'm kind of sad that it's almost over, but thankful that I got to do it. And I promise, guys, next year when I do this, it's going to be so much more cohesive and put together. I promise it's not going to be as chaotic as this, because obviously today is December 14th, and I definitely called this 12 days of Christmas. So this is only supposed to be up until December 12th, and here we are. So honestly, this set is one of my favorites, and it's actually pretty much a tie between this one and then also my day 4 set, the pink set that I made with the bow and everything. I think that turned out so cute, but this one is just really doing it for me. Shout out to my mom who suggested doing a neutral / brown set for the girls who are not really, super into the Christmas colors. I think that was a great idea, and it actually is really cute. I like how it turned out, so this is definitely up there for me. But let me know how you guys feel about it. Do you like this one the most, or is there a different set from a different video that you like better? Give me a comment down below and tell me which one has been your favorite so far since you've been watching. In order to do the marble, all I need is a palette so that I'm able to lay out my colors. I just do one stroke of each color next to each other and then take a daughter tool and mix it together. That way when I use my flat brush, the one like I'm using now, I can just easily scoop it and then gently put it onto the nail. There are definitely a lot of different ways to do marble, but this is the way that I like to use. It does seem a bit wasteful. I just feel like you're using a lot of polish, but until I find a different way, this is what I like to do. I kept the last nail very simple and just used some blooming gel and kind of made a marble effect that kind of ombres down. This worked really well. I'm actually very glad with how it turns out, especially with the glitter polish within it. I think it makes it kind of pop without being too extra, since I already have a bunch of charms on all of the nails. So this is what the final result looks like. I think it's super cute, and actually for this series I've been making only half sets just for the sake of the video, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and make this an entire set so that I can wear it later on. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow for day 10, and I'll see you then. Bye.